Hello and welcome. This is part 2 in the series to explain the roots of Iytiax. In this video, the first 20 roots that begin with O will be explained. The first of these is Oi, which has a meaning of zero. It is used in words that involve a quantity of zero and nothingness. It can also be used to describe emptiness and oblivion. The second in the group is the letter of O. This has a meaning of une and is used in words that involve a quantity of one, singularness, the first in a series, and wholeness. Next is the letter O, which has a meaning of bi and is used in words that involve a quantity of two, duality, the second in a series, and a half part. After oak is the letter or. This has a meaning of tri and is used in words that involve a quantity of three, a trinity, the third in a series, and a fraction equal to 1/3. Next is the letter O. This has a meaning of quad and is used in words that involve a quantity of 4, a quadrinity, the fourth in a series, and a fraction equal to 1/4. Then comes the letter own. This has a meaning of penta and is used in words to describe a quantity of 5, fivefold, the fifth in a series, and a fraction equal to 1/5. It can also be used for words that involve the hands. Following own is the letter oj. This has a meaning of hex and is used in words that involve a quantity of 6, sixfold, the sixth in a series, and a fraction equal to 1/6. After oj is the letter oj. This has a meaning of sept and is used in words that involve a quantity of 7, sevenfold, the seventh in a series, and a fraction equal to 1/7. Next is O's. This has a meaning of octo and is used in words that involve a quantity of 8, eightfold, the eighth in a series, and a fraction equal to 1/8. Then comes the letter osh. This has a meaning of nona and is used in words that involve a quantity of 9, ninefold, the ninth in a series, and a fraction equal to 1/9. Following osh is the letter ol. This has a meaning of deca and is used in words that involve a quantity of 10, tenfold, the tenth in a series, and a fraction equal to 1/10. It can also be used for words that involve the fingers or toes. And continuing on is the letter od. This has a meaning of destiny and is used in words that involve predestination, planning, preparation, and a state of being beyond time. It can also be used to describe the grand design of God beyond change. Then comes the letter ot. This has a meaning of fate and is used in words that involve automation, accidents, happenstance, and spontaneity. It can also be used to describe the origin of creation. Ot is followed by od. This has a meaning of instant and is used in words that involve a singular point in time, quickness, and immediateness. It can also be used to describe the entirety of time as an outer perspective. Next is the letter os. This has a meaning of truth and is used in words that have validity as a verification of concepts and as the establishment of meaning. After os is the letter om. This has a meaning of yes and is used as an assertion, confirmation, and agreement. Following om is o. This has a meaning of no and is used as a denial, limitation, and refusal. Next is the letter op. This has a meaning of reality and is used in words to describe a state of being and substance. Then comes the letter ov. This has a meaning of reason and is used in words to describe a personal working formula or purpose, and it can also be used to describe the effect that the singular God has on itself. And finally, the letter O, which has a meaning of place and is used in words to describe a physical or metaphorical location in the world. And next in part 3 will be the roots beginning with I.